After operating successfully in Thailand since 2020, in 2023 we made a very important step by expanding our operations to Europe, to the country of Finland and the great city of Jämsä. We were extremely fortunate to find a location in Finland, a former paper manufacturing facility where Corsair took over a building with approximately 50,000 square meters of operating space, where we have now been operational since late 2023. Originally, we started with one pyrolysis reactor, which was extremely important for us in the process of acquiring all the environmental permits, licenses, and also doing a lot of testing in order for us to comply with the strict European Union environmental regulations. I'm extremely happy to tell you that now in September 2025, we are days away from completing the installation of our 3 new reactors, which are soon becoming operational and will significantly increase our production output. This facility in Finland has a great potential for expansion. The building itself has enough space for us to build and to install as many as 50 of these reactors, leading into a potential monthly processing of as much as 5 million kilos per month. This will deliver a significant impact on the plastic recycling markets in Europe and will also operate as a showcase model of a modern, state-of-the-art, advanced plastic recycling facility. Our plan right now is to continuously expand the Finnish facility by adding additional reactors, where the next milestone is to have altogether 10 reactors in full operation during the year 2026, and by doing so reach our annual production target of more than 10 million liters of pyrolysis oil. We have already formed a collaboration with Shell Europe, who is our primary offtake partner for the oil produced at the Finland Kaipola facility, as it's called, and we expect the deliveries and the shipments for Shell to begin in the next coming months. We are extremely happy and thankful for the great support that we've received also from the city of Jämsä, where the government has provided us a great deal of support and also has been extremely welcoming of us arriving to their city. Unfortunately, at this facility, which operated as a paper manufacturing plant for a number of years, due to their shutdown, more than 500 people were left unemployed. Therefore, Corsair is not only delivering an important recycling solution, but also the much needed job opportunities for the great people at Jämsä. Finland is our first European facility, and we look to expand our operation there and to several other European countries over the next coming months and years.